This is Linda with WeightBustersCoffee.com. Welcome to our site. You're going to be very happy with how your body responds to Emulin. We're going to do a short video, audio video, that will show you how to order directly from the company site. In your browser, type robertstafford.valentis.com. So that's VALENTUS, and hit enter. Now you're directly on our website, and you go to the right for order now. Click and scroll down a bit. On the left, you want to order as a preferred customer. You see Robert's name there as the right site, and you're going to enter your personal information. And when it comes to your username, capitalize your first name, no space, capitalize the first letter of your last name. Give yourself an easy password to remember and confirm. Here's your shipping information. Make sure that's accurate. Here you're going to see the price of an option, of your option to order, which is $59.95. And this is the two choices for the Emulin. Emulin C is for those individuals who are diabetics or pre-diabetic. And Emulin M is for those who are not diabetic but want the benefits of staying that way. Here in the left is where it says Emulin C, because that's the one I clicked on, so you'll know which one you selected. Continue through these screens until you come to that big continue button. Now, of course, I'm not going to hit that right now because we'd all get this red markings because I didn't put the information in. The second screen that goes to will be the credit card information. And again, you're going to scroll down and continue. If you have questions, contact Robert Stafford at 920-474-6145. Leave your name, your phone number, and your question, and Robert will call you shortly. So glad to hear from you.